Data analysis plays a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient UAS flight operations. Visionair Analytics is a powerful tool designed to analyze telemetry data from our flight control systems. It represents every variable received through telemetry, providing the user a comprehensive understanding of the UAV's performance. The interactive graphs allow easy control and inspection of the log file on specific relevant areas within the dataset, enabling a detailed examination of flight parameters. The software contains multiple tools such as log trimmer, color customization, tags, and note definition, facilitating flight logs analysis. Visionair Analytics serves as a fundamental tool for UAV operators and professionals seeking in-depth telemetry data analysis.